Gautam, L2R. L2R. हो गया तेरा Gautam?
हो गया सर।
So, association with art started when I was in school. Obviously, I was very interested in drawing and sketching like every other child is. And I think I was pretty good at it. And that's something that I continued till I reached college. And then I guess college education took its toll on me and my art. And that's where the initial part of my association with art stopped. Then after that, obviously, when I came to Bombay and I started traveling a lot throughout the world and visiting museums and looking at art all over, I realized that Indian art is so fabulous. Of course, now though it's world-renowned and our artists are world-renowned and expensive as hell, but that's how I started appreciating Indian art. And the association has continued. I'm a collector. I like to go and see festivals. Like last time I'd come and seen the art there. That was fantastic. And I personally believe that I pick up art which looks good on my walls, not necessarily from a big painter or a new artist or I don't see that. I see that does it look good where it's hanging. So that's my personal take on art. Fantastic. This fusion is fantastic. I just heard about this day before yesterday. And I think it's a great idea. It's a great platform, really. And I also saw the art. And I was telling someone here that it's fabulous. I saw about 4-5 pieces which were sent to me, the pictures of which were sent to me. And I think it was damn good. All the best.
Sir.
Answer one card.
please have Mr. Babu Mishra handing over the bouquet to Mr. Pinaki Mishra.
Mr. P.K. Bora sir presenting bouquet to Mr. Prabhakar Poli. Virali will be presenting bouquet.
We also have Rohit Roy, Nikita Mahanti and Rajiv Mishra sir on the dais. And Kavita Verma ma'am on the dais. Thank you so much.
Distinguished gathering, and 3 years ago I'd been to Odisha and was really fascinated by the whole place with so many temples and beautiful images and beautiful carvings, and I thought, when will I go again, So I hope I get another chance to visit this place, and if there's anything I can do for the Trinale, I'll definitely work for it. And thank you all.
Now,
We also have an amazing. We have Ms. Shabana Azmi, the famous film actress and cultural activist today, here with us. ANPIC and OTIA would like to honor her with a bouquet of love and a gift. May I request Madam Shabana Azmi to come to the stage, and may I also request Mr. Shashank Mahapatra.
भाई स्टील क्या नाम है यार इसका और पीछे बकवास मत करें
Pinaki Mishra, Honorable Member Parliament, Lok Sabha.
Eminent artist Lalita Lajmi ji, Shri Prabhakar Kunti ji. We're very fortunate to have Shabana Azmi ji amongst us. We welcome her. Shri Johnny ML, the curator director of OTR. Shri Rajendra Patil ji, who is the mentor director. Shashank Mahapatra, all the other people who are closely associated, all the very distinguished ladies and gentlemen who've braved the rains in Mumbai to be here this evening. A very good evening to everybody. Right away, an absolutely fervent, heartfelt apology that I had kept you waiting for 45 minutes. I have been coming to Mumbai for 45 years and I have never got my timing right in Mumbai yet. Normally I am half an hour early wherever I am scheduled to be because I treasured holy grail of Indian art since times almost immemorial. I have been fascinated, I have been privileged, and I've been a
Respected Pinaki ji, Lalita Lajmi ji, members on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, I consider it a very big privilege to be present here today to what I consider an extremely important event that's going to happen. We have in the past seen biennales, and it's nice to know that there's going to be a triennale, and which has been initiated by an art school. I really cannot say that I know anything about art, except that I've had the privilege of many artists coming and visiting our homes, and I remember spending lots of time with M.F. Hussain ji and always asking him, please tell me how to look at a painting. And he would say, I'll tell you, L-O-O-K, look. That's all. Just look. Look and see. I think we look, but we don't see. The thing is, I believe that art has the possibility to create a climate of sensitivity in which it is possible to for change to occur. Because I grew up in a family where my parents believed that art should be used as an instrument for social change, I have a special feeling for the arts. And as an actor, I think it's extremely important to expose yourself to all the arts that you can, whether you understand it or not. That was something my parents inculcated in me since I was a child, and so I have been visiting art galleries, I've been going to classical music, I have been watching plays, etc. And in its own way, in a very subliminal way, I think it creates this climate of sensitivity. In today's day and times, I think when the entire world is being really driven by the market, I think we have to make a special attempt to say that we need to nurture art that doesn't only cater to the market, but that tries to raise the bar and tries to say something which is much more important than the market. In this case, we must recognize that the way the arts have over the years and decades flourished is because they've had patronage. And I'm speaking for myself, I'm sure there are a lot of people who might disagree with you, but I can say that it is important for artists to receive patronage. I think that Mr. Pinaki Mishra is here and he said what he did. I think it's very important because if in Parliament we can get our parliamentarians to agree what an important part art plays in shaping the individual, in shaping the personality of people, in creating a respect for diversity, for inclusion, for a multilingual, multicultural society, then I think it's about time that we say that efforts of these kinds must continue, but it's also very important that all the private organizations, all people with money, the government and everybody else come together, because this is not some little precious thing that is happening throughout. What is happening is we are creating a climate in which change can possibly occur. And that's why I would congratulate you for this. I realize how important it is to encourage the young. I realize how important it is for the young to be mentored by those who are in the profession, and it's a very good effort, and congratulations all of you. Thank you very much.
Now I request Mr. Jani Evan, our Curatorial Director.
Thank you, sir. Respected Pinaki Mishra ji, who is MP Lok Sabha from Puri constituency, where this tribunal is going to take place. But for MP OTR 2020,
yeah. So thanks a lot for your speech. I've always had a kind of appreciation for you. In your triennale, would you extinguish the need to actually have logistics, bringing artworks from around the world or from artists, the handicraft, people in the handicrafts, artisans to actually produce the artworks alongside the artists, so that there's a kind of paying back into the system?
thank you.
अरे ये
Now, OTR 2020. So now the Mumbai Declaration of it is done.
Excuse me.
It's got nothing to do with this.
I'm not talking about that. We're talking about the show today. You want to talk about that?
तलाक के लिए आपका प्यार हमेशा से नजर आता रहा है, क्या खास बात है? अगर इन शॉर्ट अगर हमारे जो दर्शक हैं उनको समझाएं कि किस तरह की कला कृतियों का प्रदर्शन होना है।
देखिए, मैं समझती हूँ कि इस तरह से ट्रायनाले करना बहुत अच्छी बात है। ये तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर कर रहा है, लेकिन इस तरह से मौका मिलता है जो हमारे यंग आर्टिस्ट हैं उनको मेंटरशिप का मौका मिलता है, जो एस्टैब्लिश्ड आर्टिस्ट हैं उनके साथ। और मैं ये जानती हूँ कि जब आप यंग हैं और आप में सलाहियतें डेवलप हो रही हैं, तो जो सही एक्सपोजर आपको मिलता है मास्टर के हाथ से, उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ आपको कुछ मिल ही नहीं सकती। तो मैं इनको बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ कि इन्होंने ये इसका आयोजन किया। दिसंबर में it's going to be in December, right? First and then later. So मैं सचमुच ऐसा समझती हूँ कि कला का जो महत्व है हमारे समाज में, इंसान को शेप करने में, उसकी विचारधारा बनाने में, उसको जो एक कंप्लीट ह्यूमन बनाने में, इसमें हम पूरी तरह से तवज्जो और ध्यान नहीं देते कि कला का कितना बड़ा उसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन है। तो यदि हम इस बात को समझें कि इसको बहुत इंकरेजमेंट मिलना चाहिए और पैट्रनेज मिलना चाहिए, हमको स्कूल में ही इंट्रोड्यूस कर देना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब आपको एक्सपोजर मिलता है तभी जाके आपकी जो कल्पना है वो ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट होती है। तो मैं बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ।
मैम, क्या आप भी मानती हैं कि आर्टिस्ट लोग की भी एक यूनियन होनी चाहिए ताकि उनको जो औहदा है वो बरकरार रह सके?
देखिए, ये तो मैटर जो है ख़ुद आर्टिस्ट वो तय करेंगे, इसमें मैं शामिल नहीं हो सकती। अगर उन लोगों को लगता है, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में तो है यूनियन, सिने आर्टिस्ट यूनियन है, डायरेक्टर्स यूनियन है, प्रोड्यूसर्स यूनियन है, तो उनको बैठकर खुद ही ये तय करना पड़ेगा।
मैम, आज आपकी जो ट्विटर पर आपने जो पोस्ट किया है उसकी चर्चा हर जगह पर है, तो उसको लोग कॉपी कर रहे हैं।
क्या चीज़?
धड़क की मैम, जो नए पैर आए हैं।
देखिए, मैंने फिल्म देखी, मैं ओरिजिनल फिल्म भी देख चुकी थी और मुझे बहुत उम्मीदें थी, ख़ास तौर से जानवी से भी और ईशान से भी, लेकिन यकीन जानिए कि जितनी मैंने उम्मीद की थी उससे कहीं ज़्यादा बेहतर इन दोनों बच्चों ने काम किया है। मैं इनको बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। मैं तो हमेशा हैरत ज़्यादा रहती हूँ कि ये लगता ही नहीं किसी तरह से कि ये इनकी पहली फ़िल्म है। ये कब सीखते हैं, कहाँ सीखते हैं, ये क्या एक चीज़ इनके हाथों में आ जाती है। बहुत बहुत मुबारक। मुझे फ़िल्म भी अच्छी लगी और ख़ास तौर से जानवी और ईशान का काम बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे यकीन है कि दोनों बहुत कामयाब होंगे। मेरी पूरी दुआएं उनके साथ।